Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm having fun with a song from Kacey Musgraves, a beautiful Mexico honey song. Nice one. We're gonna come to that soon with the capo on fourth, setup, chorus, everything. But first, my new channel is called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. So go and check out that one, subscribe. That's the best way to thank me for the work I'm doing right here. And it's a different way of learning as well. You will see when you visit my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. Now, let's focus on Kacey and capo on fourth. Absolute best scenario for us, guys. And with that, we have like 7 chords or so. So, yep, let's start with this song. We have 5 main chords. So we're gonna start with the E minor first. And it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. A minor next. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. Then we have the D sus 4/F sharp. So that is basically the F sharp note in the bass here. Second E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. And then to handle a bridge later on, we have the C and B7. So C first, that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally the B7, it's a bar chord, of course. We need to have one in every song. So that is a bar on the second fret, place your index finger like this, and push down the 5 strings from bottom up. Then you need to add fourth D and fourth B. Alright, so there you have it. Now, let's go into the main part of the song, and that is to handle the E minor, A minor, D, G, and the DF. We have a strumming pattern, so if you grab the E minor first, it goes like this. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. That is one string around. Couple rounds. Okay, you can also do it like in a picking pattern fashion. So then it's very important to play the bass. That replaces the down, the first down. And then the top string. You can go for like the high E, B, and G string. Pick them together. So that is bass, top, then clap again, and then top. So and I actually prefer this second version with the fingers controlling the strings. Bass versus the top strings. Alright? Now, we have a chord progression that goes E minor, 2 rounds, A minor, 2 rounds, D, 2 rounds, G, 1 round, and the DF, 1 round. And that's like this. Both versions shown right there. We also have a melody. It goes like this. Alright, something like that. So I'm going to show you the melody and the notes. It will be 2 times on the second fret G string, then open B, then you come to the A minor part, which is just to play the first fret B string. Then comes the D part. Play like that. It's 2 times on the second fret G string. Then open B. Then comes the G part. It goes like this. So it's the first fret B string, open B, and then comes the D, F part. You're gonna play second fret G, open G, fourth D, and back to open G. And that's 1 round. Now you have to play the notes and build in the strumming with the chords, and it goes something like this. I could use some more practice to that, but that is basically the idea of how to build in the melody into the strumming. Then where the bridge part starts about 2 minutes and 20 seconds in, that is basically to play 2 downs with pauses in between for each and every chord. So E minor, 2, then C, 2, then A minor, 2, and the B7, 2. And that's it. Then back to the main part. And that, my friends, is how you handle Musgraves' Mexico Honey. Cool song. Very sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Now, thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.